Good morning, children. 6th standard. How are you? Yeah, we are going to continue the lesson. That is Geography Term 3. Geography first lesson, first chapter, Asia and Europe. Already in the previous classes, we finished the lesson. I taught you the whole lesson about this Asia as well as this Europe. And I gave you the answers for choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks and match the following. And we are going to continue the answers. Understand? I'll write it on the board. You just copy in your classwork notebook. Are you ready? Just take out your books. Take along the books, your classwork also. You copy down in your books first. Then you can write in your classwork notebook. Okay. Now, that is Roman letter 3. Till Roman letter 3 we finish. Match the following. And now, Roman letter 4. Let us learn. In this, first one, they gave you the assertion and the reason. You have to write which is the correct option. Understand? So, first one, D is the correct answer. First one, D is the correct answer. That is, A is false, but R is true. A is false, but R is true. Then second one, places marked as 1, 2, 3. Inga picture kuthurukanga. Understand? In this place, this is Asia. Asia picture they gave you. So you have to match the pictures, the plains. எந்த இடத்துல என்னென்ன plains இருக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்றத you have to match it. Okay. Indo-Gangetic plain, Manchurian plain, Mesopotamian plain, Great Plains of China. அதில் among the options you have to write B. B answer is correct. That is 2, 1, 3, and 4. Next, third one. Here, they gave you the Asia map. Can you see, children? This is the Asia map. Here, in the given outline map of Asia, the shaded area indicate the cultivation of, inga shaded kuduthirukangala, inga Saudi Arabia, in this place. In the place la enna cultivate பண்றாங்க that you have to write. Here they gave you the options like sugarcane, dates, rubber and jute. The correct option is B, that is dates. பேரிச்சம்பழம் சொல்றோம்ல, that only. Okay, dates. Have you all understand then? The next one, answer in brief, that is Roman letter 5. First one, answer. Name the important Intermont Plateau found in Asia. The answer is in page number 146. Page number 146. Children, just you turn over page number 146. This is the big lesson. Yeah. In page number 146, you have the answers. The Intermount Plateau kekranga. The plateau of Anatolia, the plateau of Iran, the plateau of Tibet. The three matter edudina podum. No need to write the bracket. Understand? Only the names you have to write. The plateau of Anatolia, the plateau of Iran and the plateau of Tibet. Then second one, write a short note on monsoon climate. It is in page number 149. Page number 149. Second one, here. The south, southeast and eastern parts of Asia are strongly influenced by monsoon winds. Summer is hot and humid while winter is cool and dry. The summer monsoon winds bring heavy rainfall to India, Bangladesh, Indochina, Philippines and southern China. Till that you have to write. Till southern China. Third one. Third question is, how does physiography play a vital role in determining the population of Asia? It is in page number 153 and 54. 153 and 154. Here, the population. Third question. Second line. Approximately 6/10 of the world's population live in Asia. The population is unevenly distributed because of various physical features. Understand? Again, it is in next page. 154. Here, river plains, the industrial regions have high density of population, whereas low density is found in the interior parts of Asia. These 4 lines. Okay, children? 153 layum eldano 154. Then, fourth short answer. I'll read out the question. Name the ports found in Asia. It is in page number 153. Ports found in Asia. Here, above the picture, dark letters irukku parunga. Tokyo, Shanghai, Singapore. The waterways irukula in this paragraph. Tokyo, Shanghai, Singapore, Hong Kong, Chennai, Mumbai, Karachi and Dubai are the important seaports in Asia. Till this you have to write. Okay. Then fifth one. Fifth short answer. Asia is called the land of contrast. Justify. It is in page number 155. Land of contrast. Can you see, children? Land of contrast. This paragraph. Asia is the biggest continent. It has different types of land features such as mountain, plain and it also different climatic condition. Till so Asia is called the land of contrast. Okay. Then sixth short answer. Answer in brief. Sixth one. Question is, name the important countries. Name the important mountains found in the alpine system. It is in page number 159. Alpine. The alpine mountain system, can you see, ma? The third line. The important mountain ranges are the Sierra Nevada, the Pyrenees, the Alps, the Apennines, the Dinaric Alps, the Caucasus and the Carpathian. So, these are the important alpine mountain system. Understand? The dark letters you have to write. Then, seventh one. Seventh answer. Question is, what are the important rivers of Europe? It is in page number 160. Page number 160. The important rivers. In the tabular column you have children. There are seven important rivers. Olga, Danube, Dnieper, Rhine, Rhone, Po and Thames. So these are the seven river system. Understand? Idu mattum neenga ezhudina podum. No need to write fully. Okay? Only the rivers. Then eighth short answer. Eighth one, the question is, name a few countries which enjoys the Mediterranean type of climate. Here, for this, you don't have the direct answer in your book. So, I'll write the answer on the board. You just copy it down. Okay? Eighth short answer. Eighth brief answer, children. This is the answer. Eighth one. Here the answer is, you don't have the direct answer in the book. Okay. So I'll write it on the board. You just copy it down in your classwork notebook. Okay. The answer is, the Mediterranean and regions in Europe are found in, right all of you? The Mediterranean climate regions in Europe are found in much of southern Europe, found in much of southern Europe, mainly in southern Portugal, Portugal is a country, okay? Southern Portugal, most of Spain, Spain is a country, most of Spain, the southern coast of France, the southern coast of France, Italy, much of Bosnia, Montenegro, Kosovo, 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 Serbia, Albania, Macedonia, Greece and the Mediterranean islands. Greece and Mediterranean islands. Okay, children. So this is the 8th answer. Next one. 9th brief answer. I'll read out the 9th brief answer. I give a short note on the population of France. Population of France. It is in page number 162. Page number 162. Turn over the page, ma. It is in page number 162. The population of Europe. Here, the cultural mosaic of Europe. No, this paragraph, first paragraph. Europe is the third most populous continent after Asia and Africa. The population of Europe was 742 million in 2018, which accounted for 9.73% of the world's population. The population density in Europe is 34% but km square. Okay, till that you have to write the first paragraph only. Then, 10th short answer, it is in page number, I'll read out the question then. Name the important festivals celebrated in Europe. It is in page number 163. 163. Take 163. Food and festival. Irka, in that paragraph. The third line, you just see third line. The Europeans celebrate both religious and holiday festivals. Christmas, Easter, Good Friday, the Saint Day, Return Tomatina and Carnival are the important festivals of Europe. Till that you have to write. Have you all understand, children? Okay. Then we'll continue this distinguish between. Here, already I gave you Roman letter 1, that is choose the correct answer. Roman letter 2, that is fill in the blanks. And Roman letter 3, match the following. I gave you the answers. Already I gave you in the previous classes. And today, this is Roman letter 4, that is let us learn. In this you have 3. Question answer. Understand? And Roman letter 5, that is answer in brief. 10 questions are there. So 5 is here, this side. I gave you the page numbers. Understand? And the 6th one, 7th one also I gave you the page numbers and I be marked in the book. And 8th one you don't have the direct answer. So I written the answer on the board. Okay? Then 9th and 10th I marked in the book. I gave you the page numbers. Have you all understand, children? So, the short answer is over. In the next class, I will give you the distinguish between, give reason as well as the paragraph answer. Okay, children, until, thank you, bye.